Hi, this is Tim Blanchett with Divorce661.com, and today we're talking about what happens when divorce doesn't go necessarily as you planned. And this is specifically related to the idea of doing your own divorce, and I mean specifically those of you who are considering doing your own paperwork, trying to save money. If you think that's what will really happen, not necessarily the case, and I've done videos on why. But for purposes of this video, I want to talk about what happens if the divorce doesn't go as you plan. Meaning, you get into it, you're doing the paperwork, you think it's just a matter of filling out forms, and to a certain degree it is, but a lot of it has to do with, when it comes to the forms, what goes on the forms, how to fill them out, how to file them, how to serve them, all of that type of process and questioning that you're going to have to go through. That's part one. But the most important part is the questions you're going to have about the divorce process in general. You're going to have questions about child support determination and how is that calculated, spouse support determination and how is that calculated. You're going to have questions about how to divide up property. How can you divide up property? What will the courts allow as far as dividing up property? What's the best method to go? Should you do a hybrid divorce, a default divorce, an uncontested divorce? So basically what I'm getting at is there's a lot of things to consider when deciding if you're going to do your own divorce, or deciding when doing the divorce, if you should get a professional company such as us to help you. Obviously, our recommendation is from day one, before you ever get started, you give us a call so we can provide a consultation to you and explain to you the process. And then we'll let you know, based on what you've told us, if we think you may be able to do it on your own, or if we would suggest a company like us to take care of your divorce for you. There's just so many things that can go wrong, not only with the paperwork, but just in decisions and procedure and processes with the court. It's just not as easy as people think. There is a big misconception out there that you can do your own divorce, and while that is technically true, those that accomplish completing their divorce on their own without any assistance is very far and few between. So I just wanted to get that point across. When you work with a service like us, we offer such a tremendous value in that we do everything for you from beginning to end, including prepping the paperwork, taking down to court, filing it, serving it, and most importantly, providing you with the information you need and answering the questions you will have, whether you know that you have questions about it or not. We will bring certain things to light, food for discussion, if you will, throughout the process that'll help streamline and facilitate and make this process of getting divorced easier than you thought imaginable. So please give us a call on the number on the screen. Be happy to talk to you about your particular case and what we can do to assist you. We do specialize in divorce anywhere in California. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.